In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rosemary balsamic pork tenderloin. This recipe is so juicy and delicious, and the cooking process is just so easy. And this recipe is great for every occasion. Now let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 1 to 1.5 pounds of pork tenderloin, 5 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 of a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. First, you will need to finely mince 5 garlic cloves and put them in a ziplock bag. Everything that we will be making in this video, all of the ingredients will go inside of a ziplock bag, as it's gonna be the easiest way to marinate your pork tenderloin. Next, you'll have to add your rosemary, salt, and pepper into a ziplock bag, add balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Mix your ingredients inside the bag and add your pork tenderloin. When you're done, you will have to make sure that the bag is sealed and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. Next, remove the pork from the bag and place the tenderloin on a foil-lined baking dish. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and cook the pork tenderloin for 20 to 25 minutes or until the internal temperature of the meat reaches 160 degrees. And that's it, you're done. You can cut your meat into smaller pieces and it tastes amazing if you eat it with mashed potato. By the way, click the link at the end of my video to learn how to make creamy mashed potato with cheddar and bacon.